Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to show you a strategy that you can use to trade touch and no touch. Okay, so the strategy that I'm going to show you guys is very simple. All you have to do is connect a Deriv to your Pipbox, or connect Pipbox to a Deriv account. And if you don't know how Pipbox works, I have done videos I have done previous videos showing you how you can connect Pipbox AI to your Deriv account. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're going to click on this left panel here and choose on touch. Okay, after you have chosen on touch, you are going to make sure that your volatility is volatility 100. Okay, so that is the volatility indices that we are going to use, and that is the volatility indices that works with this strategy. Okay, so with the strategy that I'm going to give you guys, you can make profits and walk out of the market in a few hours. Okay, and you can do it repeatedly after hours. After you have taken profits, you can take a few hours and come back and take another profit. So quickly, let me go first and show you guys what you have to do. Okay, so with this strategy that I'm showing you, this strategy works well with volatility 100. Don't trade any other volatility apart from volatility 100. Okay, so what we are going to be using here is this timer right here. The timer starts at 60, meaning it's a 1 minute candle. Okay, and the candle itself is this one. Okay guys, so let me go ahead and adjust my settings because we want to trade right away. And one thing about this touch and no touch trade, guys, is that one secret that I've realized with this is that you need to stake high. Okay, if you stake lower, you're going to make low profits. You see, for instance, right now, when I stake around $1, okay, when I stake $1 and I enter a no touch trade, I'll be making 0.7 USD only. Okay, so if you have to make 0.7 USD, that means you'll have to make very many runs before you realize a tangible profit. Okay, so with this touch and no touch, guys, you need to stake at least high. So you need to make sure that the moment you're trading on touch and no touch, you have a good balance. Okay, let me say above 100 USD. So you don't trade touch and no touch if you have a lower balance. The reason I'm saying that is because if you want to realize profits very fast and not stay too long in the market, you need to stake high. Okay, so that is my stake, guys, and my barrier, I'm going to have my barrier at 0.5 and maintain these 5 ticks. Okay, so the strategy is very simple. Okay guys, we have this candle right here. Okay, the candle has formed, and you see we have a bullish candle, and now the barrier is on the downside. Okay, on the downside of the candle that we are having right now. If the candle was bearish, the barrier will shift to the upside. Okay, so the strategy is very simple. Let's wait for another candle to open so that I can show you. So we are going to be trading no touch only. Okay, this is not for touch, this is for no touch trades. So what I'll be waiting for is for this candle to gather momentum so that I can enter. And this candle you see right now, it's on like a bearish move, so I'm just going to wait to see if it's more strong enough so that I can enter no touch trades. And I'm going to enter no touch trades, and let's count to 5 ticks. Okay, let's wait and see if you're going to make a profit. Okay, we did make a profit right there, guys. Okay, so the strategy is very simple. You are going to wait for this candle. Okay, this candle to have momentum. If it's a bearish candle as this one is, okay, you are going to enter your trades. Okay, let me enter another trade. I see this one is has a very strong momentum, bearish momentum. Okay, this one has a very strong bearish momentum, and let's wait for 5 ticks, and you see we are up 3 USD. Okay, we can also enter another trade because right now the time is still on our side, but let's wait for the momentum to catch. we can enter another trade. You see it's now on a bullish trend, and make sure it's a no touch trade. Okay, it's a no touch trade. If you enter a touch trade with this strategy, my friend, you're going to lose it. Okay, this is a no touch trade, and you see we are up 4.93 USD. Okay, so if you want to make money trading on touch and no touch, this is the strategy that you are going to use. Let me wait for another candle again to open so that you can take another trade. And one most important thing, you see this spike right here. If price trades below that spike, we are going to enter a trade because that is where the price was before. Yes, let's go again and enter another trade right there. One. Okay, let's count for let's wait for 5 ticks. Remember, we had our duration at 5 ticks. Okay, and let's see if you're gonna make that profit. And you see we have made that profit, guys. You can realize that I am up 6.58 USD. Okay, so if you want to make money with this strategy, this is the strategy you are to use. Okay, I was telling you about this spike down here. Okay, if price trades below this spike, that means price has traded below the former price point that it was before, and that means that the move that it is following is now strong. Okay, okay, let's see. Let's wait, and we have a bearish candle right here. Let's see if it is a strong bearish candle or it's still going to fluctuate. Okay, coming to our former price level, and yeah, let's go on a no touch trade. Okay, and just like that, guys, make sure you have it at 5 ticks, and your barrier should be 0.50. Your volatility should be 100. Okay, you see I am up now 8 USD. Okay, I want to make at least 10 USD, and then I'm going to get out of the market. Remember, I said that if you want to make high profits, you need to stake high. Okay, staking high is also risky, but that also comes with good risk management. Okay, guys, and you can see that no touch trade has a very high profit compared to no touch trade. Okay, no touch trade, you only get 3.64 of your as a profit. Okay, and that tells you something about touch trades. Touch trades are rare to get, and if you get them, they come once. Let me take another trade there and see if you're going to get some profit. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. And yeah, man, that was another profit, and you see we are up 9.85. Okay, I wanted to make at least $10 in this trade, and I am just showing you guys how you can make money using touch and no touch trading right here on Pipbox, which trades directly on your Deriv account. Okay, so if you stake high, you're going to make high profits. Okay, that is also another secret that comes with this strategy. Okay, guys, if you stake high, you're going to make faster profits and higher profits, and that means you're not going to stay too long in the market. Okay, let's wait for this bearish move to gather momentum. Let's see if it's a bearish momentum or it's a bullish momentum. It's a bearish momentum, and let's see. Oh, okay, let's see if that is going to be a no touch. Yes, and that was a win. And guys, you see we are up 11.47 USD. So if you want to trade no touch using Pipbox AI, this is a strategy that you ought to follow. If you have not joined my Telegram channel, make sure that you do. I always post strategies there as well. I always tell you the best strategies to use and which volatilities to use on which strategy. Okay, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do, because I always post these strategies on a daily basis, and these strategies will help you make money and realize profits on your Deriv trading. And you as a trader will have the best moments, because you will be realizing profits, and not only realizing profits, okay, you will have mastered a skill that no one will take away from you. Okay, guys, so make sure that you subscribe, share, like and comment. If you have a question, make sure that you ask me in the comment section. See you in the next video.